and gentlemen, today was the 17th day of the monsoon session in Parliament, and it looks like it was stuck on repeat, replay, repeat, replay. Ruckus inside the House, protests outside. Same faces, same script, same vote chori refrain. Perhaps aware of the repetitiveness of the India bloc, tried to spice up things by adding a dash of novelty with costume drama. They came wearing the white t-shirts with the name Minto Devi and her picture emblazoned on the front of those t-shirts, and 124 not out written at the back. They claimed that Minto Devi is a 124-year-old first-time voter in Bihar, a metaphor for a larger malaise of voter fraud. She was the example that Rahul Gandhi used to double down on his vote chori allegations, adding a filmy flourish. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost.
Mata Mita Devi ji, 124 years old lady, has been included as a voter, first time voter, by the Election Commission. This is the way Election Commission has become a joke. Election, the fraud voter list and the selective deletions of the right people from the voter list is the game of Mr. Amit Shah. We are protesting as a mark of protest, as symbol of protest. We are wearing this t-shirt and we are coming to the Parliament.
सुना है मैंने। ऐसे तो बहुत अनलिमिटेड केसेस हैं, अभी पिक्चर बाकी है।
इसी चीज का कि क्या जो राहुल जी ने सब प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बताया कि सब फर्जी वोट लगा रखे हैं, सब नाम पते रिश्तेदारों के नाम सब फर्जी है।
Just like protesting has become an exercise for the opposition, fact-checking has become an exercise for anyone interested in sifting truth from propaganda. So here comes the first truth test. Minto Devi is not a fake voter. She is a legitimate voter from Daronda Assembly seat in Siwan Lok Sabha constituency. She is not 124-year-old, but 35 years old. Her date of birth has been wrongly entered as 15th of July 1900 in her voter ID. Her Aadhaar card shows a different date, 15 July 1990. The local poll body officials admit her age was changed due to a typo error in her application form. Of course, there has been an oversight. Of course, the Election Commission needs to fix it. But does this qualify as large-scale rigging? Does a likely clerical error prove vote chori? Here's how Minto Devi and her family are shredding the hype, explaining the exaggeration and the misplaced outrage built on it. Hear it in their own words.
प्रियंका गांधी या राहुल गांधी मेरे कौन होते हैं? उनको अधिकार किसने दिया कि मेरे नाम का टी शर्ट, मेरे तस्वीर का फोटो लगा कर टी शर्ट पहने? क्यों कारण क्या है? कौन होते हैं? उनको अधिकार दिया किसने? हमको तो लग रहा है कि गड़बड़ी है, मगर गड़बड़ी जो किया है उसको क्या लग रहा है? नहीं गड़बड़ी है। तो मेरे उम्र के लिए वो इतना शुभचिंतक क्यों बने? वो आखिर मेरे हैं कौन? जानना मैं चाहती हूँ ना कि वो है मेरे कौन? उनको अधिकार किसने दिया मेरा विपक्ष लड़ने के लिए?
जो आपके वोटर लिस्ट में जिसका नाम 124 उम्र आया है वो कौन है?
मिंटा देवी पतो है।
तो क्या लगता है किसकी गलती है ये?
गलती जहाँ से होता है वहाँ हुआ है, जहाँ से होता है वहाँ से टाइप करता है वहाँ से हुआ। आप कहाँ से हुआ? यहाँ से तो होगा नहीं।
किसका गलती मानते हैं?
अब तो गलती हम लोग तो किसको मानेंगे? अभी तो हम लोग आंधा में अभी का मतलब वही होता है जहाँ से टाइप होता है।
24 साल जो भी पतो आपकी है ना, उनका एज 124 साल बताया गया। मेरा 35 साल है, उनका जो है 35 साल है। वो तो करेंगे, तो हल्ला करेंगे, तो हल्ला करेंगे। भाजपा को फंसाना हल्ला करेंगे तब।
Unfazed, the Congress party is now upping the ante of its campaign. On 14th of August, it will organize a Save Democracy procession in all district headquarters across the country. From 22nd August to 7th of September, a Vote Chor Gaddi Chhod rally will be organized nationwide, followed by a signature campaign from 15th September to 15th October. Congress's alliance partner, the Trinamool Congress, has taken it up several notches higher, calling for Lok Sabha to be dissolved now. Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament Abhishek Banerjee said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his cabinet should resign if the Election Commission says there are discrepancies in the electoral rolls. Listen in to him.
अगर एसआईआर होगा तो पूरा देश में होगा और उसके लिए पहला कदम प्रधानमंत्री से लेकर पूरा कैबिनेट को इस्तीफा देना होगा, लोकसभा डिसॉल्व करना होगा, उसके बाद आप एसआईआर करिए.
Trinamool Congress MP's call for Lok Sabha to be dissolved follows Tejasvi Yadav's warning of a poll boycott. But even these outrageous demands keep coming. Election Commission has been reminding everyone that they haven't received a single complaint for the booth level agents of these parties in the last 12 days. In fact, the poll body produced 26 testimonials of BLAs, that is, block level agents of these political parties from the stakeholders in Bihar itself, all of whom said that the process was transparent and that unlike what was being claimed by their party leaders, they did have both hard copies and soft copies of documents with names of those who have been removed from draft electoral rolls.
जी सेटिस्फाइड है, बहुत अच्छा काम हुआ. बहुत शुक्रिया सबका कि हम लोग एक टीम की तरह काम किया और भविष्य में उम्मीद है कि हम लोग इसी तरह टीम की तरह काम करेंगे.
1/9/25 तक जो जिनका मतदाता जो छूट गए वो अपना आवेदन करेंगे. मैं भी अपनी पार्टी की तरफ से मेरे जो बीएलए हैं वो उनको सहयोग करेंगे नाम जुड़वाने का.
आज जो वोटर लिस्ट मतदाता सूची का प्रकाशन किया गया है उसकी एक कॉपी जो है हम लोग सभी राजनीतिक दलों को उपलब्ध कराई गई है.
EC might be transparent in its functioning, but the same cannot be said for the Congress party because it seems that in a rush to grab eyeballs, it may have failed to do due diligence yet again. Actor KK Menon, who features in the Congress party's Vote Chori campaign video, where he appears to show himself endorsing their drive, has said it was done without his knowledge or his approval. Even a bite chori that is happening. But the final nail in the coffin came from the Supreme Court, which heard the matter today. While hearing the pleas challenging the SIR, the Supreme Court backed the Election Commission's stand that Aadhaar cannot be a proof of citizenship, and that while there might be issues with the current voter roll and they need more facts and figures from the Election Commission, it is just a draft roll and the issues will be fixed because there is still time to put in those objections. So ladies and gentlemen, from the Supreme Court to the booth level agents, to their own leaders like K.N. Rajanna, who were fired because they spoke the truth, there have been multiple reality checks that have come for Team Rahul Gandhi. Yet, there have been persistent refusals to acknowledge their version and perpetuate fakery and fraud bait. And that, ladies and gentlemen, brings me to the Motorola legitimate question. Is the India bloc even interested in finding out the truth? Or do they know the truth and are therefore avoiding it? That's the question and the debate on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight, Shehzad Poonawala, national spokesperson of the BJP, Sujata Pandey, political analyst. Also joining me tonight, Badshah Alam, national spokesperson of the RJD, advocate Anmol Panwar, national spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, Tausif Ahmed Khan, political analyst and lawyer, supports the Trinamool Congress. But my first question goes to Congress Neta Ashwini Kumar Mishra. अब ये बता दीजिए कितनी कितनी चोरी आप करेंगे। आपने ममता देवी का चोरी कर लिया, फोटो लगा दिया टी शर्ट पे। शी सेज शी इज नॉट गिवन यू परमिशन टू यूज हर पिक्चर और हर डिटेल्स टू प्रिंट टी शर्ट्स विद। KK Menon is accusing you of chori of his dialogue from his serial Special Ops and you've used it without permission. चोरी आप कर रहे हैं, इल्जाम सब पे लगा रहे हैं।
नाविका जी, vote chori isn't about politics. It is about the robbery of democracy in broad daylight. It is not about BJP or Congress. Please understand, it is not about Rahul Gandhi or Modi ji. It is about the very fundamental stone of our democracy, which is one man, one vote, clean voter list. Tomorrow, if in this room itself we are 3 people and if Shahzad is allowed to give 3 votes and we are allowed to give only 1 vote, obviously Shahzad will always win. And that is what is happening. That is what is happening in country. That is what has been happening. We have raised some serious questions, which by the way Supreme Court has also acknowledged today. You mentioned Supreme Court. Supreme Court said that, Mr. Yadav, you have given a very good analysis and you have raised a very important question which Election Commission of India has to answer. So let's forget about what Rahul Gandhi is saying. Let's forget about what we are saying. Let's talk about what is the problem we are discussing here. The problem is our democracy is in danger. We are heading towards the dictatorship. We are heading towards where the Hitler Raj was. Because Navika ji, a stolen vote might crown some dictators, but it can never crown a true leader. You need to believe that. And I want to ask my friend Shahzad.
So only vote chori has happened in the Lok Sabha election?
No, I have been demanding cancel every election, cancel every post.
तो हिमाचल प्रदेश, कर्नाटका, तेलंगाना
2024 मोदी जी, अमित शाह, सारी गवर्नमेंट बर्खास्त करो, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट बर्खास्त करो। नाविका जी, जस्ट लास्ट थिंग, मैं अपने मित्र शहजाद पूनावाला से पूछना चाहता हूँ, हालांकि वो मुझे
मित्र,
हाँ हमारे
बीजेपी वाले आपके मित्र,
हमारे हम सब भारतीय पहले हैं, बाद में बीजेपी और कांग्रेस हैं, और ये मुझे सच्चा हिंदू नहीं मानते, बट मैं इनको सच्चा मुसलमान मानता हूँ, मुसल्लम ईमान, जिसका ईमान अडग हो। आप ईमानदारी से बताइए, अपने दिल पे हाथ रखिए, ईमानदारी से बताइए, क्या ये जो वोट का मसला है, वोट चोरी का मसला है, या जो अलग अलग वोट बने हुए हैं, क्या ये देश के लिए खतरा नहीं है? क्योंकि कभी आप कांग्रेस में थे, कभी आप बीजेपी में हो गए, कभी आप किसी तीसरी पार्टी में हो गए।
Ashwini ji, you did not answer a single question that I asked you. Manta Devi, I asked you the question on who gave you permission to use, and 1900 and 1990 is a typo. Is a typo going to become a vote chori evidence for you in the court? Typo bhi nahi hona chahiye. I agree with that. The Election Commission will have to fix it. But it is a typo error. Is that enough to make a case for vote chori, number one? And number two, you didn't respond. KK Menon ki dialogue chori kisne ki? But Shahzad Poonawala, clearly the Congress's entire charge sheet has nothing to do with the facts.
Because Navika ji, he has spoken about robbery of democracy and he invoked 3 of us. Imagine in this room, instead of 3 of us, there was Mr. Rajanna, Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Tharoor. Then Rahul Gandhi would have 3 votes. And Rajanna and Tharoor would have 0 votes. And that too for speaking the truth. Now, let us forget what Rahul Gandhi is saying. Obviously, you'll forget what Rahul Gandhi is saying. Because today, look at the Khandani chor, certified Zameen chor, land for job chor, convicted Chara chor. They are saying Election Commission is doing chori. Okay. And what is this Rahul Gandhi also said? And I have watched Times Now, not just at 9 p.m. Navika, it's my favorite show, but I also watch at 5 p.m. I watch at 6 p.m. And what have they shown? They have shown that Rahul Gandhi lie number 1 website is down. It was not down. Rahul Gandhi lie number 2 digital roll has not been provided. PDF roll was provided. Rahul Gandhi lie number 3 Aditya Srivastav has got 3 votes, turned out to be false. Lie number 4 Shakun Rani has 2 votes and she has voted twice. The old lady has come out and said I voted only once. Aaj Minta Devi ka jhoot. Aur plus abhi ye zameen chori aur land chori ke baad they have become content chor. टाइम्स नाउ का क्या होता तो टाइम्स नाउ तो सू कर देता, बेचारा केके मेनन ने तो कुछ नहीं किया। एनीवेज उसने सिर्फ वो ट्वीट करके छोड़ दिया है। आते हैं अगली बात पर। नाविका जी देखिए ना, डेमोक्रेसी कितनी सुरक्षित है। आज वो आपने उनको नहीं बुलाया, वो सस्पेंडेड लीडर को, सस्पेंडेड लीडर नहीं है। मैं पॉइंट पे आ रहा हूँ, लास्ट 10-20 सेकेंड एंड आई विल फिनिश। नाविका जी, चोरी किसने की वो तो अभी तक समझ नहीं आ रहा है। कांग्रेस पार्टी हैज ब्लेम्ड आम आदमी पार्टी फॉर चोरी इन पंजाब। कांग्रेस पार्टी नेता परमेश्वर जी हैज सेड दैट बिफोर ईवीएम स्कीम मैं बूथ की चोरी करता था. कांग्रेस पार्टी हैज बीन एक्सपोज्ड बाय शरद पवार हु सेड 160 सीट्स ऑफर करने को आया था, हमने राहुल गांधी को ट्रांसफर कर दिया. राहुल गांधी नेवर इवन कंप्लेन्ड अबाउट इट. व्हाई इज शरद पवार लाइंग और इज राहुल गांधी सिटिंग क्वाइट ऑन दैट एविडेंस? एंड फाइनली आई वांट टू आस्क दैट राहुल गांधी दिल्ली में एक बात करते हैं पर उनके 65,000 BLAs, zero complaints. If Navika, if they would have given 10 houses every day, 10 houses every day, in 10 days, sir, I did not interrupt.
No, but you
Sir, I did not interrupt.
you are lying on, you are lying on.
Navika,
come on. You cannot lie here.
I give you time to counter.
Cannot lie here.
65,000
ईमानदारी की बात की थी मैंने.
65,000 BLAs in 10 days, 10 houses per day. They could have checked the 65 lakh voters. They could have given it to the Supreme Court. But they have not done that, and therefore I would say that this is not about any kind of vote chori. It is about truth ki chori. ये truth की चोरी going on from 1947.
Well, let me get in advocate Anmol Panwar.
अच्छा, राजन्ना का पूछे ना इनको. Ask once about Rajanna.
You are not
Rajanna has been
lawyer,
sacked for speaking the
you
truth.
understand natural justice. You are a lawyer. You understand natural justice.
What is natural justice?
You understand
natural justice?
Sacking someone
I am
who
asking
speaks
you
the
understand
truth.
the concept of natural justice.
Please explain,
In
please
natural
explain.
justice, if there are even one person cannot be convicted for something something wrong he
it
has
has
not
nothing-
done.
Natural
I'm not coming
justice has nothing
So,
to do with KN Rajanna.
point
I'm
is- no,
so
no.
glad that you clarified
You-
that
you
Rajanna,
are mixing two things.
Rajanna
No.
and his freedom of speech.
You are mixing
is
just like how
totally-
Amit Shah said
totally
about-
discounted by the Constitution Savior Lobby. Now
And forget
that
the-
is something that
forget
viewers you
Rajanna.
must know.
Listen to
But
this.
let me get in. Advocate Anmol Panwar.
Shahzad, that I have this also from you.
केवल राजन्ना ने नहीं, अखिलेश ने भी बोला है.
Let me get in Anmol Panwar. Anmol Panwar, आप भी एडवोकेट हैं, यहाँ भी एडवोकेट सब बैठे हुए हैं, एडवोकेट्स ही हैं यहाँ पर. But you say that Congress is doing vote chori. I'm referring to Priyanka Kakkarji's statement to the media this evening. They say you are doing vote chori. Please, can you simplify it for the viewers, for the citizens of this country? Who are you blaming? Is the opposition blaming the BJP? और आपके आपस में ही ये तय नहीं हुआ है कि वोट चोर एक से ज्यादा पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है? प्लीज कैन यू एक्सप्लेन टू अस? वी आर वेरी कंफ्यूज्ड citizens of India.
Good evening, Navika ji. Navika ji, it was the Bharatiya Janata Party which was caught on camera during Punjab mayoral polls defacing the ballot, and the Supreme Court acknowledged it. And in 2023, when the BJP government at the center overturned a Supreme Court constitutional bench judgment which said that CJI must be part of the committee who select the election commissioners, it was the beginning of a new assault on our democracy. Wahan se shuru hua कि first they ousted the CJI from the committee, then they colluded with the election commission and started vote theft. And I have few questions for the BJP spokesperson. When summary revision, question number one, when summary revision was conducted from January to June 2024 till January 2025, what was the sudden urgency to conduct an SIR again? Secondly, why has the Bihar voter revision roll, the draft roll which has been published, it has not a single person who has been added to the voter rolls? Thirdly, if the voter list is to be frozen on 30th of September 2025, and if I get to know on 25th of September कि मेरा नाम voter list से काट दिया और मैं अपील भी कर दूंगा, and if I were to contest the elections, तो मैं कैसे contest कर पाऊंगा? Question number 4. Then the Supreme Court said that under the guise of intensive revision, you are determining citizenship. Question number 5. Why hasn't the Election Commission uploaded list of 65 lakh voters who have been deleted from the draft voter list? Question number 6. Why is a person who has voted in the last 5 assembly elections and Lok Sabha elections is being asked कि आप बताइए कि आप इस देश के सिटीजन हैं? It is the responsibility of the government, not of the citizen. And last question, भाई साहब ये कैसी SIR है जिसमें डोनाल्ड ट्रंप का नाम आ रहा है, डोनाल्ड ट्रंप अपना वोट बना रहा है, कैट कुमार अपना वोट बनवा रहा है, डॉग कुमार अपना वोट बनवा रहा है? What kind of SIR is this?
Anmol Panwar ji, I can play out all the BLAs who have come out and said they have the list. They have the list that have been given by Election Commission. But you want to sit in New Delhi and speak about what is happening in Bihar. Point number 1. Point number 2, the Supreme Court said that if there are mass rejections of some of those names, we will take cognizance of that. But the Supreme Court also said that the Aadhaar, in the Aadhaar Act, Section 9 clearly says that this is not a document of citizenship. Now you want to question the Act and the Supreme Court. I don't know what you want to do. But Sujata Pandey ji, is this an issue where, are we saying that there is no need to clean up the voter list? Of course there is a need to do that. Does duplication happen? Happens every elections. It shouldn't happen, but it does happen. The fact is that cleanup exercise, if the Election Commission takes up in full earnest, why do all of them have a problem? And why do none of them answer the questions of the Chori charge that is not only put on the BJP, the mention of the mayor, absolutely wrong by the BJP, the Supreme Court came heavily on it and that person was removed. But since then, what have you been able to prove, Sujata Pandey? Is there any evidence that they need to put, or a charge is enough?
Navika, I think truth is like a lion. You don't need to defend it. You unleash it, it will come and defend itself. And that's what is happening with the allegations that Rahul Gandhi has put on the Election Commission, which are falling under its own weight. You see the Supreme Court. What happened today in Supreme Court? Supreme Court asked that give me the proofs of all the allegations that you have been putting. None of the proofs were provided. Supreme Court backed the Aadhaar not being authenticating proof for citizenship. It validated that the names which are deleted from SIR were rightly done. What does it do? It exposes Congress party fakery on the entire SIR. Minto Devi, the star face in this vote chori campaign, could not even last for a few hours. The voter exists, only the name was a typo error. So if your star, allegation face is a typo error, I don't know about your other allegations. How do the people believe it? Congress is accusing the Election Commission of this vote chori, but KK Manan is accusing Congress of content chori. How do you believe a party which doesn't even have the intellectual honesty? Now come to the base part of it. Why is it being done? And before that, I would like to correct the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson. He said first time new voter enrollment has not been done in Bihar role. Well, he should be educated. I think they don't read anymore now. It is active from August and it will be finished by September 30. That's what Election Commission website says. Probably in the entire mudslinging of the political desperation, they forget that there is a fact and facts will come out in open. But who does it help? Rahul Gandhi of Congress party has 4% vote share in Bihar. With 4% vote share, they cannot hurt BJP with the SIR campaign. So who they are hurting? They are hurting Tejasvi Yadav. Tejasvi Yadav, before this SIR narrative between the institution versus the Congress, with the unproven, this theory that Rahul Gandhi has come in, he was focusing on the local issues. He was getting tractions. But Rahul Gandhi has shifted the entire focus from Tejasvi Yadav and brought it to himself, and that too, he could not prove it with one single point. What does it do? It is counterproductive. When
is that what the RJD thinks? अब बादशाह आलम जी, अब बिहार का तो कोई बात ही नहीं कर रहा. सब लोग वोटर लिस्ट पे आ चुके हैं. अब ये तेजस्वी जी को हेल्प करेगा नहीं करेगा, पहले तो ये बता दीजिए. और दूसरी बात, कौन कहां से चोरी कर रहा है? आम आदमी पार्टी कहती है कांग्रेस चोरी कर रही है, कांग्रेस कहती है बीजेपी और आम आदमी पार्टी चोरी कर रही है. चल क्या रहा है बॉस?
देखिए, ये तो चोर को तो ये पकड़ नहीं रहे हैं कि वो आप नविका जी सुना है ना कि खेत खाए गधा मार खाए जुलाव वाली बात हो रही है. जो SIR की प्रक्रिया बिहार से शुरू हुई और बिहार के अंदर ये सारा ड्राफ्ट लिस्ट में जो सूची आया उसमें सारी जो गड़बड़ियां पकड़ी जा रही हैं, तो उसको चुनाव आयोग ने अपना लिस्ट डिजिटल फॉर्म से हटा दिया कि कोई ये गड़बड़ी निकाल नहीं पाए. अब जो गड़बड़ियां सामने आ रही हैं वो सोशल मीडिया में है, कोर्ट के अंदर भी लोग उसको दे रहे हैं. बाकी हमारे नेता तेजस्वी जी ने भी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके बताया कि इतने जो है हमने अप्लाई किया और इतने जो डिस्क्रिपेंसीज को उजागर कर रहे हैं, तो वहां कोई रिसीविंग नहीं दे रहा है। और अभी ये ममता देवी का जो चल रहा है कि 124 साल का एज हो गया है, ये कांग्रेस चोरी कर रही है इस कोर्ट को। तो मैं आपको बता दूं, वहीं सिवान के बराबर में गोपालगंज है, जिनमें संतुरिया देवी भी हैं, जिनकी उम्र 119 साल है। भागलपुर में एक है आशा देवी, उनकी उम्र जो है 120 साल लिखा हुआ उसके अंदर। तो ये सारी चीजें इनके ड्राफ्ट लिस्ट में है, और इन्होंने डिजिटल फॉर्म में जो लिस्ट डाला हुआ था इन्होंने आज से 10 दिन पहले, ये 6-7 दिन के अंदर इन्होंने क्यों हटा दिया, क्यों उसको पीडीएफ फॉर्म में डाल दिया? तो ये चुनाव आयोग जो है वहां के जनता को परेशान कर रही है, वहां के वोटर को परेशान कर रही है।
अगर गलती पाई गई है तो आपके बीएलए ने ये रेज की है गलती। शुडंट दे बी रेजिंग दिस शहजाद पूनावाला?
देखिए, एक एक करके मैं जवाब देना चाहता हूँ, एक एक करके बीच में। मिस्टर बादशाह जी, आप झूठों के बादशाह है, पर अभी कम से कम इंटरप्शन के बादशाह मत बनिए। ये इंटरप्शन के बादशाह मत बनिए, और बादशाह का बेटा शहजादा होता है, बोलने दीजिए भाई जी। अरे भाई बादशाह जी, आपने बोल दिया बादशाह आलम सल्तनत नवाब, अरे बोलने दो भाई।
जो कारोबार चलाते हैं, तो ये झूठ का कारोबार यहाँ नहीं चलेगा। राहुल गांधी ने 7 तारीख को सारा एक्सपोज कर
आपने झूठ उठाया, अब झूठ का जवाब तो ले लीजिए।
चोरी करके
बादशाह आलम जी, झूठ आपने उठाया, अब झूठ का जवाब ले लीजिए। आई एम लोअरिंग योर फेडर। शहजाद रिस्पॉन्ड।
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो चोरी पकड़ी गई, वाह गजब है भाई, चोरी पकड़ी गई इनके हिसाब से। तो गांव को लेकर काहे गए थे? शिकायत दर्ज करवाते ना। 300 लोग लेकर गए, 3 आदमी जाकर शिकायत एफिडेविट पर देकर आता, वो तो नहीं करना है। अच्छा, चोरी पकड़ी गई। अखिलेश कुमार, कमलेश पांडे, ओम प्रकाश गर्ग, समी अख्तर खान, उपेंद्र नाथ तिवारी, वीरेंद्र मिश्रा, लल्लन कुमार, ध्रुव नारायण, रामचंद्र ठाकुर, दीनानाथ सिंह यादव, ये सब आपका बीएलए और वाइस प्रेसिडेंट और प्रेसिडेंट है डिस्ट्रिक्ट का। ये बोल रहा है कोई चोरी नहीं हो रही है, एकदम बढ़िया काम हो रहा है। चलिए छोड़ देते हैं। अब देखते हैं, देखिए कितना झूठ बोलती है। शराब चोर कैसे डिफेंड कर रही है जमीन चोर को, पर शराब चोर को तो जमीन चोर बोल रहा है कि आप वोट चोर हो। अब समझ गए, नाम नहीं लिया पर सब समझ गए। अब देखिए, इन्होंने बोला शराब चोर वाले की पार्टी ने कि 65 लाख वोटर का लिस्ट नहीं दिया। सुप्रीम कोर्ट में यह बात उठा, एंड इट हैज बीन सेड कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज जो भी बीएलए को देना था दे दिया। फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज सेड सीजीआई शुड बी पार्ट ऑफ पैनल। नाविका, यू हैव मोर एक्सपीरियंस देन मी व्हेन इट कम्स टू कवरिंग कोर्ट्स। The court had said, Supreme Court had said that till the time law is passed by Parliament, and they can't dictate what law is passed, you will have the CGI in the panel, but after that the parliamentary law will prevail. In fact, if they are having so much love for CGI and Chief Justice, why don't they have the Chief Justice and LOP in the State Election Commission chair appointment? And there was no process before the 2023, and one person used to be in the members.
We've been there, done that. That
on
debate is long
Dog Babu and Cat Kumar. Navika ji, they should watch Times Now all day. I request you. Times Now 9 p.m. is very good. You get 60-70% rating, good. But you watch during the day. During the day, you have shown, and is it lies that Times Now has shown Dog Babu, Trump, and Cat applications were filed, and those applications were rejected. Now, if some murk is there who has no other work but to show 2 epic cards, or to file these applications, or to cut from KK Menon's movie the clips and use it, it's not our fault. The system has caught this kind of activity.
We are not asking you only, Shahzad, we are asking Election Commission of India. You are not Election Commission
But you are
of
saying
India.
Modi चोर है।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी।
अच्छा, तो फिर पार्लियामेंट में डिबेट क्यों कर रहे थे?
चोरी से इलेक्शन जिताया है। तुमने पार्लियामेंट में ट्रेस पासिंग किया हुआ, इलेक्शन चोरी करके जीत के। हमारा कंसर्न, और आप क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Are you insulting the voter of India? Are you insulting the voter of India who stood in queues and voted?
I'm not insulting anyone.
One line, don't shout.
I'm insulting.
One line, just one line.
The chore who is stealing the democracy from a particular man or party.
1 minute.
One line. You said we have trespassed Parliament. Your MP, Mr. Amar Singh, has said that the Aam Aadmi Party has done vote chori. Is it true?
Can I ask
Is
you a
it
question?
true?
You are telling
yes or no?
जाके चोरी की शिकायत करो।
yes or no?
चोरी की इलेक्शन कमीशन की चोरी की शिकायत हम जाके इलेक्शन कमीशन से ही करें।
नहीं,
ये कौन सी अदालत है ना? ये कौन सी अदालत
कोर्ट में है ना मामला? Yes, Amar Singh has made
ये
this
कौन सी
statement.
अदालत है कि जहां पर हम चोर की शिकायत भी चोर की अदालत में ही जाकर के
मत
करें?
जाइए ना, आप मत जाइए इलेक्शन कमीशन, आप कोर्ट चले जाइए। कोर्ट सुनना नहीं है, इलेक्शन कमीशन जाना नहीं है, सड़कों पे धरना करना है। बट तौसीफ खान, I have 2 questions to ask you. You want the parliament to be dissolved. Fantastic. So 543 people who have been elected by the citizens of India should all now resign, come out. The speaker should dissolve the house. What happens to the voters who stood in queue and chose their leaders? Number 1. Number two, I also want to ask you that the goalposts are changing every day. The Congress party wants to raise the issue of SIR and voter cleanup in the parliament, but they don't want the BJP to respond. Election Commission is not a member of parliament. Who will respond? So why are you wasting the parliament's time by raising this issue in parliament? Does any of your opposition make any sense to any common person? Because there seems to be absolutely no logic in it.
Navika, this controversy with Election Commission has started since the BJP came to power. It reached its zenith when the matter was before Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court decided that the Chief Election Commission will consist of the Chief Justice of India. And BJP went ahead to nullify that order, passing a new law and therefore keeping the control to its own hand. Now, the Election Commission, totally disregarding the fact that in 2024 parliamentary elections happened using the same voter list that it has, now they are disputing it in the state of Bihar, West Bengal and Tamil Nadu. So in the eyes of Election Commission and BJP, there are irregularities only in non-BJP states, when Mamata Banerjee has on record showed irregularities in Gujarat voter list, when Rahul Gandhi is giving examples from Karnataka on the data provided by Election Commission. Therefore, the question is, why should this revision be allowed only in non-BJP state, only deleting the names in a manner which will have BJP? We have seen 65
But this is
lakhs
fake
already
news. Where has it been said that it will only be in non-BJP states? The Election Commission has said it will be done in the entire country. Where are you getting your facts from or non-facts from?
Yes, do it now. That is why this demand. Do it now. Suspend the Lok Sabha. Dissolve the Lok Sabha.
Chalo, Lok Sabha dissolve kar do. Are you, Ashwini ji, are you ready for the Lok Sabha to be dissolved and LOP also should go home?
Everyone who's elected using this whole election process by this Election Commission of India should be dissolved.
Oh.
And we should have a clean voter list, we should have a clean democracy
Panwarji,
and clean electoral
Panwarji,
process.
please tell me, do you want the whole Lok Sabha to be dissolved?
Is it for me, Navika ji?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Navika ji, our leader has very categorically said, and we have presented proof also, they are asking for affidavits from Rahul Gandhi, but in Delhi Assembly elections...
That is not my question. Do you want the Lok Sabha to be dissolved? Do you want the Lok Sabha to be dissolved? Yes or no?
हम ये चाहते हैं कि जो भी इलेक्शन गलत तरीके से हुए हैं उन्हें अवैध घोषित करना चाहिए। दिल्ली का चुनाव गलत तरीके से हुआ था, उसे अवैध घोषित करना चाहिए। इन्होंने चुनाव चोरी, दिल्ली विधानसभा का चुनाव
पंजाब का भी अवैध है,
उसे अवैध।
इवन द पंजाब इलेक्शन वाज रॉन्ग।
पंजाब दिल्ली में नाविका जी, वी प्रोवाइडेड देम एविडेंस। इन्होंने क्या किया?
पंजाब,
द इलेक्शन कमीशन डिड नॉट एक्ट ऑन दैट।
पंजाब,
दे आर लूटिंग डेमोक्रेसी इन ब्रॉड डे लाइट।
पंजाब इलेक्शन,
they are looting democracy in broad
you know, this has been proved.
नाविका, क्या गजब है। आपको याद है, अब हो गया, आपका समय
पंजाब
हो गया।
में चुनाव चोरी किया तो था इन्होंने।
नाविका जी,
ओके, नाउ रिस्पॉन्ड शहजाद।
नाविका जी, जब चुनाव के नतीजे 2024 के आ रहे थे, इट वॉज माई सौभाग्य, आई वॉज विथ यू ऑन द शो, एंड एट दैट टाइम यू रिमेंबर नाविका हाउ द कांग्रेस वॉज सेलिब्रेटिंग। नाविका, वन ऑफ योर एक्स कॉलीग्स, शी वॉज डूइंग दिस एंड सेलिब्रेटिंग। अगर ये इतना चोरी और मैनिपुलेटेड वोट था और पूरा हमने हाईजैक कर दिया था, तो ये सेलिब्रेशन किस चीज का था? अरे ये 1 सेकंड,
चोर का पता अगर 10 साल बाद
आई डोंट
चोर नहीं रह जाता है क्या?
आई डोंट इंटरप्ट यू, कैन मिसयूज योर पोजीशन। मैम, नाविका, दिस इज सो अनफेयर, मैम। आई राइट डाउन द लॉजिकल। नाविका, लेट मी प्लीज कंप्लीट, डोंट मेक इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी। Secondly, why did you celebrate then, and now after 1.5 years when you have lost election after election, you are remembering, oh no, now we have to call out all the elections? Point number one. Point number two, in Karnataka or in other states, whoever is the person facilitating this story is the state government. Now the state government minister has said that Karnataka government was sleeping or it was part of it. Rajanna ST is lying. Is a tribal leader lying? No. So why Rahul Gandhi sacked him?
You don't answer it. Let him answer it.
Let me answer.
Rajanna said, Mr. Rajanna, a minister in the Karnataka cabinet, said that this should have been looked at by us. We did not respond in time. So therefore, this is not a right charge to make at this stage. So you fire him.
Okay.
What happens to the constitution and freedom of speech?
Okay. First tell me this logic कि चोर चोरी के दिन पकड़ा जाता है, चोर चोरी के दिन नहीं पकड़ा जाता है. चोर first he lied. He lied.
Please tell me, why did you do KK की चोरी? Why did you do Mamta Devi की चोरी?
Now coming back.
Now please respond to me. राजन्ना को क्यों आपने फायर?
आप मुझे बताइए कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया के पर्व्यू में आता है कि कौन वोटर होगा, कौन नहीं होगा, या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट?
स्टेट गवर्नमेंट बनाती है.
होगी, बट किसके पर्व्यू में आता है? अगर कोई वोट चोरी करता है, अगर कोई अधिकारी गलती करता है, उसको सस्पेंशन राइट किसके पास होता है? सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के पास होता है.
जवाब नहीं है.
Everyone comes under central government's election commission.
What is he saying? What lies? What rubbish?
It is a matter of
panel of three is sent by the state government to the election commission. Boss, I have covered election commission for 30 years. Kindly do not challenge me. 3 names are sent by the state government to the election commission. They pick up one of those 3.
They all report to election commission.
They also report.
They all report to election commission of India. During election and in election process, everything comes under purview of election commission of India.
Facts have never bothered.
Navika, factually and technically anyone can check it. And Ashwini ji, please, you're a sensible person. BLOs are appointed by the state government from their state government machinery. Please, sir, don't lie. Even Akhilesh Yadav has said this to Karnataka government.
Even they are assigned, they are responsible, they are answerable to election commission of India. They are answerable to election commission of India.
Sujata Pandey, when the cadre is controlled by the state, are they saying that the election commission controls such officers? Their transfer, their posting, everything happens through the cadre controlling authority, which is the state. But why are we digressing? Are we now going to insult voters in this country by saying dissolve the parliament? Because 1.5 years later, suddenly somebody thinks that vote ki chori hui thi. Really?
Prove him wrong.
And without a shred of proof, Navika, please don't forget the fact that today the entire opposition with their best battery of lawyers could not provide one shred of proof for whatever allegation they have been putting against EC and this vote chori. So do not forget that somebody said that जब से बीजेपी आई है तब से इलेक्शन कमीशन पे ये सब इल्जाम लग रहे हैं. मुझे लगता है वो अपने नेता को भी पढ़ना भूल गए हैं, क्योंकि ममता बनर्जी थी जो कहती थी कि बंगाल में इमिग्रेंट जो बांग्लादेशी इमिग्रेंट है उसका वोट बैंक बना रही है लेफ्ट की पार्टियां और उसको निकालना जरूरी है, उसको SIR कराना.
2005 when she tore up the papers and threw on the speaker, who can ever forget that? Tausif Khan, तब नहीं याद आया, आज याद आया है. Today you want the Lok Sabha to be dissolved. Well, ladies and gentlemen, look at what people of India, our viewers, are saying. Satya Ranjan says opposition's activity is anti-India. Swatantra Shukla says the opposition thinks people are fools. No, we are not. Kushru Mistry, dissolve opposition for wasting taxpayers' money. This is what people of India are thinking. And when we asked the question on a social media survey, SIR is opposition's dissolved Lok Sabha demand. Is it an insult to voters? Yes, say 70% of the people. No, say 26%. Can't say 4% of the people. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's very clear 70% of the people do believe that it is a waste of time and an insult to the voters of India when opposition parties actually get up, wake up from their slumber 1.5 years after the Lok Sabha elections and begin to question the voter roll cleanup activity. The only point that they are making that there are some mistakes. Yes, there are mistakes. Yes, the cleanup should be done. But then isn't that the agenda of cleaning up? So if you're saying there are problems, which means a cleanup is required. But when the Election Commission does a cleanup, you have a problem in the intentions of the Election Commission. The facts that have been presented have so far not even convinced the Supreme Court of India. So then the opposition, should it really be on streets or in the courts and wait for the verdict, instead of just spreading uncertainty and complete anarchy on the streets of India? That's the question I leave for you, the viewer, the citizen of India, to answer. We leave it at that.